All you product reviewers out there, beware. I'm about to blow up the spot.
John Dorsey here with JohnD.net.
I want you tired of being overwhelmed.
Hey, how's it going? John Dorsey here, work with JohnD.net. And so I've been marketing online, making money online, or been on the pursuit of building multiple online businesses since about 1999. Now, I haven't been successful that whole time, and I probably have gotten most of my results or success probably within the last 5 years, 6 years. And so I've been exposed to a lot. I've seen almost every little marketing tactic, marketing strategy there is, and I'm pretty sure there's more things that are to come. But the one thing that I've noticed throughout this whole time is people who do fake product reviews. And I know you've probably seen this too, where someone claims they're reviewing a product and they talk about the product, but they never show proof that they actually have purchased and have used the product. And in reality, that's a fake review. What that really is a preview. They are previewing the product because they're talking about the product beforehand. They are detailing what they have read on the sales page or what they have seen in the sales video or the sales webinar. And all you can get from that is what the product creator wants you to know. So that's really just a preview. The only way these people can really do a true and honest review is to purchase the product, use the product, and then share their thoughts of the product. And I'm here to let you know and warn you that 99% of the product reviews that you see, or well, when it comes to information products, because you can't give a product review of something that's physical without actually holding it in your hand, but well, I would hope you couldn't. Hopefully somebody has some integrity, but a lot of these digital marketers lack integrity, they lack honesty, and they lack transparency. And it's about time somebody exposed this, because they aren't helping this industry by giving fake product reviews. Because if you truly want to be successful, you got people that are truly looking to have their breakthrough. They truly want to earn this extra money. They truly want to learn how they can actually make money online. And people are giving fake product reviews telling you, oh, how great this product is, and this is what you get, and this is my results. And don't be fooled by the results they claim they are getting, because a lot of those results are just them purchasing the product from their own affiliate link. And once they do that product, so-called review, they refund the product. Or it's them getting a sale from doing a product review, and they claim that's their proof that they are getting results from the product, that from what they've learned from that product. But 99% of these people haven't purchased a product, and they never will purchase a product, and they make their money by you purchasing the product. This is why they offer so many bonuses to entice you to buy the product that they haven't bought, the product they haven't used, the product they know nothing about other than what they've learned in the webinar or the sales video. So it's about time we got some integrity in this industry, where people are starting to actually practice what they preach, where they are going out, buying the product, using the product, and getting a result, or if they don't get a result, then giving a product review. And you can't do that. You can't do that without buying the product, and you can't do that the same day. You probably gonna have to use the product for at least a month to get to really have a true opinion, or be able to give an honest review about what you think. Me, if you check out my page, I don't do product reviews that often. That's because I only review stuff that I actually own, stuff that I actually bought, stuff I actually use. And I can't do that if I'm buying a new product every day or every week. Only way I could do that is if I'm buying a product every few months and using it, and then talking about it. So you won't see fake product reviews on my site. If I'm talking about a product and that you should buy it, is because I used it and I've seen the benefit. And I will hope that it will be something that you would appreciate, because it's about time we get some honesty in this industry. This is why so many people despise or don't like internet marketers, because it's filled with so many scumbags and people who feed from, or bottom feeders, who will do whatever it takes to make a quick buck. They will, claim they own something that they don't own. I was involved in car sales for a short amount of time, and one thing that we were required to do when we became a salesperson was to drive every car on the lot. Or at least every new car. We wasn't able to drive every used car, but we actually had to drive every new car on the lot. That way we would have a personal experience with the product. So that when we are talking about the product to the customer, we will have first-hand knowledge about the product. We will know how it drives, how it feels going down the road, how the transmission shifts, the things we like about it and the things we don't like. That's a true product review. So anytime you go to these so-called don't buy such and such a product without watching this video, honest or product review such and such exposed, and you look at that video, and if they're not showing you, if they're not logging into that product or showing you on their computer screen, them in the back office of that product or behind the scenes of that product, then they're full of it. They don't own it, they haven't used it, and they're just enticing you to buy it so they can make money. And that's very dishonest, and it's very, it lacks integrity, and it needs to stop. We need to get honest people out here doing the right thing, and stop doing things that take advantage of people who are actually out here trying to make some money online and have a better life. So what I'm thinking about doing is doing product reviews, but honest product reviews. I don't buy products that often because I'm usually focused on my own thing. But it was a product. So let me just talk about why this came up all of a sudden. I mean, it's always been an issue, but not why it's getting under my skin more than ever right now. So I've been looking at this new strategy. I ain't gonna talk about what it is, because I'm gonna do an actual product review about it. And I was curious to see how many other people were using this strategy effectively, or was using it at all. So it's a product that's available on ClickBank, and it's the strategy. What the product exposes is a strategy that is very unique and cutting edge. So I was curious, and it's been and the product's been on ClickBank for about 6 months as of the time of making this video. So I was just curious to see if anybody else bought the product, used the product, and what kind of results they were getting. So every video I've watched, nobody, zero, I would say out of 10 videos, no person, and there's not that many reviews about this product, no person has logged in and showed the back office. Now I understand there are some terms and conditions that you might violate showing the back office. So you might have to read that to see whether or not you're violating any. But as long as you're not, but just showing that you've logged in and just showing the dashboard, I wouldn't think would be violating too many terms and conditions. As long as you're not exposing every little detail of the product in the back office, because part of the selling point of a product is the mystery of what you're actually getting. But as long as you're not showing the various sales page, as long as you're not showing all the sales pages, as long as you're not playing the training, as long as you're not reading out, exposing every little detail of the product, then that's fine. If you just log into the back office and says, hey, this is what you get, this is the dashboard, this is where the training is, this is where the marketing funnels are, this is where such and such is, And over the next few weeks, I'm going to be using this product and getting the result. That's how a product review should be, at least one that's very, when you first buy a product. So, like I said, I'm going to start doing that, and it'll have to be a two-part thing where I'm previewing the product, as in this is the product I'm going to buy, this is what it's about, and actually show me buying the product, and then over the course of a few weeks, I'll use the product, and then shortly after that, I will review the product to say, okay, these are the results I got using the product, or if I didn't get results, this is what I think. Because there's no guarantee that you're going to get any result in the first few weeks or the first month of using something. But I can at least give you an honest review of, I think this will work once I get this going or that going or whatever it is. So that's all I want to say. So all you product reviewers out there, beware. I'm about to blow up the spot and truly show how a product review should be done. So that's it for this video. If you got some value out of it, like it, share it, subscribe so you can start getting some real product reviews, so you can get some real results online. And so make sure you subscribe. Like I said, like and share this video. I'm out.